Hello and welcome to another Wally Spark review. That's Wally with an E. Sorry I didn't show you actually taking this off and putting it back on, but I replaced the chute gasket on my lawnmower here today. My Craftsman YTS4000. And basically you can see the old one, it was getting ripped and some of the holes here were ripped off, so it was putting an opening right there and all the dust was blowing back through. So I picked up this new gasket. It was very simple to replace. I just had to pull off the chute here and then get a screwdriver back behind the old gasket and basically just pry out. So if you can see those little clips in there, they just plastic clips, they just pop in. And I pulled those back, pulled the whole thing out, pulled this cover off here, and the gasket was behind it. And the new gasket slipped right in perfectly. And then you just basically push these clips back in. Probably gonna have to take a hammer maybe and just kind of hit it a little bit there on those top ones. But that's it. Very inexpensive fix and saves you a lot of dirt going on all over you when you're mowing. And the first one lasted probably 10 years at least, so I'm hoping I'll get the same out of this one. The only thing I couldn't find was, or didn't look for, was the actual cover that holds all that gasket on. And probably in time I might have to replace that because it's got the built-on clips and they're probably going to wear down eventually. Well, maybe not if I don't keep pulling it off and putting it back on. I have no reason to. So anyways, yeah, again, a quick fix for my Craftsman YTS4000 lawn tractor, and now hopefully I will not have any dust blowing all over me. Thank you for watching, and go ahead and subscribe if you would, please. And always, if I can, I will put a link in the description of where you can pick one of these gaskets up at. This was a fit for my tractor, but they sell them for all different sizes. You know, since we are talking about my lawn tractor, I just thought I'd show you one last thing here. And this was a little fix I made. Basically, the cover here for the bags cracked at one time, cracked all the way up to here. And all I did is I took a little piece of copper strip with holes in it. You can get it at any hardware store. And laid it on there and drilled a couple holes through there, and then bolted, put a screw and a well, let me show you. There you go. Put a couple screws through there with those nuts that have the plastic on them that just lock in place so they don't come loose. And that's lasted me probably 10 years too. It prevented it from cracking any further up the cover there and rendering it useless and having to buy a new one. So just thought I'd show that little quick tip in there for you.